everybody. Bud Clayton. I wanted to go in and say something about a big desire that I've had for quite a few years to get a water feature put in my house. And I've put it off, and finally I decided to get the feature done. Got Earthworks to take care of me there, doing a great job, and I'm really happy and excited. I live up in the Amelia View community on the north side. If you come up and see us, take a look at a finished product. I think it'll really be great. Hope to see you come by.
Hey everybody, we are back out at the Clayton residence, Bud and Sue, and I know you met Bud earlier in the start of the video, and as you could tell, they were a little bit excited about getting this project done. It's a very cool project. I'm really proud of this, that we're able to do something in a small area that features a face of the waterfall that shows to the inside of the house, and then anybody who walks up to the front door will get to see a face of the waterfall as well. And then it's got a real subtle, cool, hummingbird driven design to the flowers, so it'll be something that will attract hummingbirds in the future as well as bees and butterflies, and it's all very easy care. So to start off with, as you can see, the water feature faces primarily towards their living area in the home, and yet there's a face that comes down here that faces directly where I'm standing. We've incorporated some firebush in the background. It's a very good hummingbird attractor. Sue really loves her hummingbirds. You can kind of catch a glimpse of her hummingbird flag in the background. We've got some Amistad salvia in the background as well. That'll get about 3 feet tall, and that's a hummingbird attractor. We've got an orange bird of paradise. We've got some bulbine, and then some easy care plants that are low. We've got variegated aptenia and some blue days in the foreground. And then we've also got we incorporated on the other side of the planting, we've got a dwarf bottle brush, which will also attract hummers at some point. The Claytons are going to be adding a hummingbird feeder out here, and I think they're going to have a really cool spot to sit. They've got a bench out at the entryway here, as well as indoors in different times of the season. So very cool little project. You can see Scooby's appreciating it as well, giving it the thumbs up there, or the nose up, whatever a dog does. If you're all thinking, gee, we really don't have space to do something really fancy, you might find out that in fact you don't really need a huge space to make something really cool. And as I always like to say, if I judge these projects on whether or not I'd be really excited if this was in my yard, and I really would be, and I can now say that this yard is now flamingo worthy.
And I would like to thank Earthworks for making it possible for us. I know how I met them was at the Home Patio show, and so finally we have this done for ourselves, which is great.
Well, our project is finished here. It's really great. It brings the outside into our front room. The sound is great. Specifically, I like the moss that's on the rocks. I know that David talked to you about the flowers. I bet they did an excellent job. And what I think is we really enjoy it, and I'm going to have a good time listening and looking at this project for years.
I'm going to enjoy the growth of the new shrubbery that we have, especially the ones that will attract the hummingbirds, which I love the hummingbirds. I have a North Florida room, which I can look out the window, especially at night when it's all lit, and I can see and hear, the fall, which is going to be great. And I want to thank Earthworks for making it possible for us and all the staff.
That's Matt, Mike, Chris, and Brian. Thanks, guys. We do appreciate it.
And David.
And David. David is the guy that visualized this for us and brought it to life for us.
And we are happy.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.